Hey, if you have a brightness drop problem on the POCO F6 Pro, let me show you how we can try to fix this or how we can actually identify this problem. So first of all, you have to definitely check for the settings, then go into the display and the brightness, and you have to be sure that the automatic brightness is actually turned off. So it will actually fix most of your issue, but if the automatic brightness is turned off in your case and you still have this drop brightness issue, there's probably issue with your battery temperature. So you have to actually check the battery temperature, and you can do this with this G CPU application. You can download it for free from the Play Store, and here we can actually find the temperature. Let me just turn off this ad. There we go. So here we can find the temperature. As you can see, in my case, the battery temperature is around 36 Celsius. And I'm not have any drops. But if it actually goes over 40, over 50, definitely this is the issue. And the only way to fix this, you have to just give a rest to your phone. So turn off the game, turn on the screen, and wait a few minutes until the battery temperature drops. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.